Yo guys, what is going on? I know that it's been a super long time, believe us, we're pretty pissed off that we've been lacking so hard on this channel, and so the good news is that we're back, and we're here to provide a lot of value. In this video, it's just going to be a super quick update of what we've been up to these past 5-6 months, and what we're planning, what we're aiming to do and accomplish in these next 6 months coming up, and just basically all of 2021. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, what's poppin'? In case you forgot, my name is Corey. I also run this channel with my business partner named Anthony. Anthony's not here today, just me filming this video at my house, but he's going to be in some videos and do some of his own. I'm going to start doing some of my own videos too, and there's going to be some together as well, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're here. There's a lot of value coming your way, and we're going to try making it so valuable that it's going to be more of documenting the process of us building our current brands and what we've been up to these past couple of years with dropshipping. Of course, there's going to be videos that are also very insightful for you to just take and apply to your stores, like how to boost your conversion rate, for example. And yes, other YouTubers have done that, but as an entrepreneur, you should always be wanting to grow your mind, feed your mind as the right things. I don't care what kind of entrepreneur you are. You just have to know more than your next door neighbor, your whoever it may be. You have to know more than them. They will take your customers. Your margins will diminish, and you just won't last long term in this crazy ass economy. So make sure you're subscribed. We really appreciate that. We're almost at 1,000. It's been a crazy ride. Yes, our Instagram got disabled once and twice now. So our first Instagram had close to 6,000 followers before it got disabled, and then the second one was almost at 1,000, also got disabled. We think it's because of the memes. We've reached out to a few people that also know a lot about Instagram and how their whole page bans work with Facebook and stuff. I think it's because of the memes, because we didn't have permitted use to use that content possibly. So we are going to be making a third Instagram. It's not going to have much memes. It's going to be a lot more insightful for you guys. All kinds of just quick, 2-minute reads that you guys can just read and apply to your store or your business or whatever it is that you're trying to do with your life. Essentially, what we've been up to for these past 6 months now is just straight brand building. So this probably sounds super familiar to you guys, but when I first started dropshipping, it was just like the way people are starting nowadays, where they find a product on AliExpress, mark it up, run ads, and just expect some kind of booming business. And although I can admit that I have done that and taken a couple products to 6 figures, it was never really lasting. It wasn't a real brand. When people would ask me what kind of company I run, it would just be super hard to explain to them because it doesn't really make sense. You're like, oh yeah, I sell this posture corrector, so on and so forth. No, I do not scale that. It just sounds really weird. And I thought to myself, why don't I just stop chasing, stop having all these small sprints and start running a real brand? I realized that long-term visions always win. Brand building is king in e-commerce, especially if you are brand new and started this year in 2020. Really consider hopping off this wave of just testing new products and expecting tremendous results. You can still test products all you want, but just stick with them for longer than a week. You're not gonna turn your brand new store into a 4 or 5 figure business overnight. For a select few of you who either get lucky or just happen to know how to run Facebook ads very well, or Google ads, you're good. But if you're brand new, don't have much business experience, but you want to do e-commerce and eventually escape that 9 to 5 or whatever, follow us and do what we are doing, what everyone else who is mainly succeeding in e-com is doing, which is brand building. By no measures at all are Anthony or I experts in this field. I wouldn't consider myself an e-commerce expert after only doing it for 2.5 years, but we do know a few things that can really help you out, and we're going to be documenting the entire process starting now of how we are building our brand, what we've achieved so far. So far, I'm not going to disclose what the brand is. There's a couple. There's one main one, and then there's one other smaller one that we're kind of doing on the side, if that makes sense. The main one is a 5-figure brand as of right now. We started it 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and we're just pushing it. And every week, we're going to be sharing on YouTube 2 to 3 videos explaining what we're doing there, along with insight for you guys. So how to handle customer support, how to find proper suppliers you can actually trust and have good shipping to not only USA, but other countries. How brand building actually works, how to actually have customers trust your website enough to come back, because another huge thing that happens when you dropship products on a stupid general store is you'll never have returning customers, ever. If you do, they must be like, there has to be something wrong with them, because it's not very common for people to return to general stores, especially if they close 2 months later. Some people run general stores, they don't make much money, so they just close it and quit. It just it just doesn't make sense to me. So if you're here for the long term, if you want to know what we're doing to build our brand and make it a profitable brand that does consistent revenue, consistent profits every single month that increase, follow us, subscribe, make sure you're here. We're gonna post our new Instagram, so our third one, which hopefully does not get banned. We're gonna post that in the description pretty soon too. If it's not on this video, then it will for sure be on the next one. If you're watching us and you're really excited to hear more about brand building and you're urgent to learn more from other sources besides just me and Anthony from Ecom Street, definitely check out a few people. I'm gonna link them below, but one of them is my boy Dave Nash. He's had a couple successful brands. And guys, don't forget, we are all ears. If there's a topic that isn't on our YouTube yet and you want to hear it, tell us, comment it. We'll make a huge video explaining it. We're all ears. We can only come up with so many video ideas ourselves. We also have a Discord channel, so if you want to join that and just network with other e-commerce people, we also do some like live streams in there where we just chat it up. Join our Discord. It's going to be in our description. Free to join, obviously. I'm not going to charge you guys for that. Why would I do that? And yeah, our next video will be posted soon, so I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.